There are many coffee powder products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best coffee powders from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. VitaCup Coffee Powder. Rating 4.3. Nourish your mind and kickstart your concentration with this uplifting coffee made of mushrooms that will leave you feeling energized and powerfully productive. Lion's Mane and Chaga work together with gourmet mushroom coffee to boost creative focus and immune support. The nootropic benefits have been shown to increase memory, focus, and concentration. Sip the deliciously smooth, full-bodied medium roast ground coffee made from 100% Arabica beans. Focus Coffee is roasted, ground, and sealed in the USA. Each bag contains gourmet vegan coffee grounds. Compatible with all drip coffee brewers, French press, electric coffee pots, reusable K-cups, cold brew, and iced coffee makers. Number 4. Starbucks Coffee Powder. Rating 4.6. Starbucks delivers fresh-tasting roasted coffee cup after cup with this 28-ounce bag of Pike Place Roast Medium Roast Ground Coffee. A smooth, well-rounded blend of Latin American coffees with subtly rich notes of cocoa and rich praline. It's gourmet coffee that's perfect for every day. Starbucks adheres to the highest quality standards, shipping you the same carefully roasted 100% Arabica coffee beans we brew in our cafes. Whether you like black coffee or adding cream and sugar, Starbucks coffee is carefully ground to be ideal for various brewing methods, including drip brewer, coffee press, pour over, and mocha pot. Starbucks is committed to 100% ethical coffee sourcing in partnership with Conservation International. Number 3. Nescafé Coffee Powder. Rating 4.6. Savor rich and bold flavor in an instant with the pure coffee taste of Nescafé Classico Dark Roast Instant Coffee. Nescafé invites you to elevate the taste of the coffee in your cup with our bolder, richer taste that's crafted to perfection. Crafted with responsibly sourced, high-quality coffee beans from around the world, Nescafé is proud to be the world's best-selling coffee brand. It's never been easier to get a perfect cup of coffee. Simply scoop 1 teaspoon of Nescafé Classico instant coffee, add 6 fluid ounces of hot water, stir, and enjoy. When prepared as directed, this 10.5-ounce jar makes up to 150 cups of real, premium Nescafé instant coffee that satisfies with every sip, whether you like your coffee black or with coffee syrup or cream and sugar. Number 2. Peet's Coffee Powder. Rating 4.6. Our most loved medium roast. Smooth with a balanced richness. Some have described Alfred Peet as the Big Bang of craft coffee, the one who started it all. Brewing methods. Our ground coffee is perfectly suited to make a drip or a pour-over in your Chemex. For other brewing methods, espresso, cold brew, or French press, consider our whole bean coffees and grinding at home. Sourcing with impact. The coffee you buy can impact the welfare of the people and planet. Peet's is actively engaged in driving positive impact in communities where coffees are grown. Rich, complex, incomparable. Masters of our craft for over 50 years, we hand roast the very best coffees in the world. Number 1. King Arthur Coffee Powder. Rating 4.8. Intensify your chocolate recipes with this premium coffee powder, adding depth and richness to brownies, cookies, and cakes without imparting a coffee taste. Perfect for elevating your baking extracts and flavorings collection. Ideal for various baking applications, including frostings and sauces. Add 1/2 to 2 teaspoons to chocolate baked goods or frosting. Add to your collection of flavor extracts and flavorings for baking. Made by King Arthur, a trusted name in baking since 1790. This instant coffee powder for baking is carefully crafted to enhance your culinary creations with superior flavors and aroma. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.